Good afternoon, everybody. Today is June 25th, 2022, and I wanted to show you a passion that has root rot. I cut it on May 31st, 2022. It did really good in the water, and then it got root rot. So I was just giving it a squirt of hydrogen peroxide, and I wanted to show you this root development. I've never seen anything like it. It is getting roots. The bottom, which I'm going to cut off today, the bottom of it turned black, but it has been fighting the root rot, and I'm going to give it a chance to live. This one, it's a lot healthier. It's trying to grow new leaves, and again, we do have roots. The roots are starting after almost a month, but again, the bottom is black. So don't give up on your passions if they have root rot. Change the water every other day or every day, and just give them a little squirt, like maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide in the water. This works for me. I'm not going to guarantee it's going to work for you, but it has helped this plant. And that's the only thing I'm focusing on, is helping this plant, and it seems to be fighting off the root rot. All right, take care. Like and subscribe to our channel to possibly get your name pulled after I get 500 subscribers for a free passion. Thank you.